Ever wonder what it feels like to fight for every breath? No, not be out of breath, just finish the marathon kind, but the kind where every inhale feels like your last. Now, picture this happening in the golden years of life, under hospice care, where comfort should be king. But here's the catch. When it comes to understanding and managing anxiety, especially with something as relentless as COPD, it seems like there's a massive gap. How does hospice care overlook the anxiety in elders with breathing issues? Why is recognizing anxiety crucial before introducing MAID as an option? Can hospice care truly comfort if it doesn't address the invisible struggle of anxiety? Imagine the air around you turning to water and you're trying to breathe. So here's the scoop. Hospice care, bless their hearts, are dropping these comfort packs. Think of them as emergency kits filled with meds like morphine and Ativan, right into the laps of our elders. Things are supposed to be comforting, until you realize there's a glitch. They're kind of assuming everyone's up to speed on what anxiety actually is, and let's be real, that's a pretty big leap, especially for a generation taught to suck it up. But then, enter MAID, stirring up a storm in an already foggy scene. So, there's this elder with COPD. Let's call them Jamie. Jamie's been battling this feeling of suffocation daily, a constant reminder of their mortality. Hospice rolls in, offering these comfort packs as a lifeline. But here's the kicker. They're kind of glossed over the part about understanding what triggers might warrant reaching for that lifeline. Which leads to a new kind of nightmare. Jamie, already grappling with the fear of each breath being their last, now has this box of potent meds with the power to end it all, and no real guide on navigating the mental minefield that is their anxiety. And by guide, I mean a map through the labyrinth of their fears. Imagine this scenario. Jamie's anxiety peaks. They reach for the meds, not out of pain, but out of a desperate attempt to catch a breath, to find relief from the suffocating fear. It's like handing the keys of a Ferrari to someone who's only ever driven a bicycle and saying, "Drive safely." But here's the thing. When you don't even know you're experiencing anxiety because your entire life it's been labeled as weakness, how can you possibly use these tools effectively? In the end, it's not just about providing medication. It's about equipping our elders with the understanding and recognition of what they're facing internally. Without that, we're not just missing the mark, we're potentially exacerbating the problem. And by exacerbating, I mean turning a lifeline into a tightrope without a safety net,